Hi guys, welcome to my Christmas party. This is the look. I was very lazy, so I decided to just turn this beautiful scarf into a top. This one today is Gucci. Pants are from Gucci. I think I'm going to change my shoes because I had a different vibe a while ago. It's not connecting, but we gotta connect. We got to connect. I think I'm going to go for cute pink shoes. These are super vintage Dior shoes. I got them like over 10 years ago. Cutie. These are like my cute Judith Lieber pillbox. I have another one. April, if you're watching, it's with you. We had her go back to the ICU because she needed a few gemstones. Another one, cuteness. They're complete. Pag malaki ka na, mamanahin mo yan, okay? Look, oh, this one is for you. I manifested you, anak. Look. On bag, cute too. Pero hindi pa all pink, masyadong sweet. Is that sophisticated enough? So this is the look. Okay, let's begin! We've got lots of raffle draws.
Ang cute!
Or maglakad muna ako sa labas, bumalik ako dito. Para lang ma-justify.
Light fish
Ayoko
naman.
kasi gusto ko approachable ako. Kaya nung sa airport ako, alam mo, namumroblema ako kung dark ang tint. Meaning to say, talagang depression today. Pero pag glasses or medyo kita ng konti,
Approachable.
I'm okay to approach. This one, I'm alright to approach.
Hirang payat ha. Walang ano ha. Para kang walang
Ang arte! Ang arte! Hoy,
May
Mark.
period ka nga talaga today?
Meron ako.
Pero di ka bloated.
Eh, gano'n kasi yung power ng Kotex.
May kasamang tanggal ng
Hinihigop niya talaga. Hinihigop niya talaga yung
bloating.
Kala mo, naipasok pa. Oh. Totoo!
Ganun talaga.
It's called, you know when you're at ease, I'm at ease, wala kang bloating. Pag hindi ka at ease, tas stress ka, may bloating. Lipstick for today. Ab City lip. Oh, it's true because you guys, I really do love what I endorse.
Pag wala dito, wala.
Yun ang suggestion.
Yan yung red.
Hindi. I have to open mine.
Thank you to your Philippines.
May, ang ganda mo. Pangalan ng nanay mo? Heart ko?
Lima na to.
And then, ooh, we have ham. Smell. It's my favorite, shrimp with red egg. Welcome to Team Heart Christmas Party. Bakit sa mo kami? Iba lang na perfect.
Malas ako sa
Practice.
Nina!
Okay na. Gusto ko mag-bingo.
Gusto ko talaga mapapatunayan.
Unang ilaw!
Kulang.
It's very good.
Get one is fast!
First batch of raffle.
Wala pa! Si Andre yung... Brand new Moment View. Sir Mobile.
16 Pro.
The next one, we have Zion King Pro, worth 196K. Yes, Zion negative worth 560K. Cash of worth. Mickey C!
Sa letra G, kinakabahan ako parang dadagdagan ng Nikisi. 5,000! 5,000! We have to count. Michael is run! Sound!
Merry Christmas!
Thank you so much! One piece chicken, large fries.
Christmas! Sis, masyadong advancing lyrics mo.
What?